I was recently talking with a company that wanted to safeguard their employee data. They were concerned about spear phishing and wanted to protect their employee's email address. One of the things they do for that is append 4 alphabets at the end of every email address. So instead of saurabh@cloudcompliance.app, my email address would be saurabh.gupta.abcd@cloudcompliance.app. That just makes it harder to do spear phishing. But the challenge is that once this data goes into sandboxes, it's just there. Also, with the mobile bring your own device, every employee's mobile phone numbers, and that is also a potential problem, particularly an employee may leave, but their personal contact information is still sitting in your sandboxes. And this is especially a problem when you have offshore consulting companies working with your sandboxes. You will not have data there, but you still have employee information that is accessible. If you're a large company with 10, 20, 30,000 employees, all that data is now essentially available to everyone, even if they have a dev-only sandbox. We like to think that dev sandboxes have no data, but that's actually not correct. Dev sandboxes still have user data, products, pricing information. So there's a lot of company-sensitive data that is sitting there in your dev sandboxes. So how do you get around that? Did you know that you can mask this information? Salesforce actually provides a specific API for obfuscation of user data, and that you can mask this information, but it can be tricky. If you just try to update this information, it would automatically send an email to that user, which we don't want from dev sandboxes. So the way to do that is to call Salesforce's obfuscate API, which is specifically provided by Salesforce for this purpose. We utilize it in DataMasker, our free data masking app, and you can use it. Literally just download it, set it up, anonymize users, and that way every sandbox you have is completely protected from unauthorized access to your employee data. Otherwise, you can write your own Apex to do that and leverage Salesforce's obfuscate API. Curious to know how you're doing it today and what do you think? Thank you so much.